Hi, this is Dustin with TechMD. Today we're going to be repairing Sony Xperia Z1S. Wow, what a mouthful. Okay, so we just got one slight crack right here on that edge. I don't think this is going to turn off. No, it won't. Okay, so I'm just peeling off whatever this piece is here. Jeez, the whole thing just almost nearly came right up. Normally I warm up the sides here. Yeah, I'm gonna warm it up. So just get it warm to the touch, not hot to the touch, just warm. So the Z1 and the Z1S is a little bit different, and that's why they call it different, but the phone itself is slightly different. Okay, now that we peeled that off there, now we can start focusing on taking off these screws. You know what? I don't think I've ever been into Z1S. This does not look familiar at all. Been into the Z2, the Verizon Z3, and Z3. I swear I repaired this one and the Ultra too. But this does not look familiar. Let's see if I can just get in from this side here. Oh no, I have to put this cable in, so I'm gonna have to remove this whole shebang. All these screws. One thing I always tell the customer, it's no longer waterproof, or at least I don't guarantee it. Still probably water resistant after we're done, but waterproof definitely not. I don't have any way of testing that theory, neither do I want to test it. Alright, let's pull out the battery here. Thank goodness it's so easy versus other ones. Put that in temporarily. Put that in. Just gotta turn that on here. Pause it while it's loading. That's all I can really test. So that seems good enough. Pull that up carefully. Jeez, that kind of pulled up fast. Good thing that pulled up. Oh, that's not good at all. It just ripped something down here. Yeah, really? This one little thing ripped that? That's crazy. Looks like it ripped the mic. I don't see how any way of pulling this up without damaging that. What is this anyways? That might be to the speakers. Or the antenna? No. It's not to the antenna. Yep, it's to the microphone. Okay, so we'll have to replace that. I don't have that part, so we'll have to order it in. That's a bummer. I'm going to use a heat gun at 950 degrees to warm it up. Once again, this is Dustin and TWPD. We do these videos to show techs on how to do the repairs. Also show the mistakes and failures that I potentially make, or they could potentially make. Also to show that the world, we can do it, and we are looking for techs. Well, that's interesting. Backlight started coming up a little bit. Don't forget this piece. Wow. I don't think I ruined very many backlights, so for that to happen, that was interesting. Clean up all the old adhesive here. Just use a little acetone.
Oh my goodness, good job, sugar.
Okay, now that's all done.
Oh, I thought I needed the key. Alright, let me go to the baby was Snoopy in it. Oh yeah. You can hold GPS in it. That'll be funny.
Got a little Gorilla Glue, my favorite glue. Spreading the glue all around. Nice and thin coat everywhere you go. Sorry for my head being in the way, but there's no way to do this without getting it carefully in here. Harder with the blue thing on there.
Woo! Just made some major cash. $43,000, and 200. $43,000, 200. Woo! Here, cash this check. So I messed up, right? Oh yeah. There, which one? Yeah. Quick Fix Cellular, Dustin Knight. Where is he going?
Since I have to fix the microphone, I'm just gonna tape it down instead of gluing it down. Normally glue it down. Seems like though every time I get into one of these devices, I always have to reopen it up for something or another. Can't win. That back in when we get back in there. Alright, this is Dustin with TechMD, and this is the Sony Xperia Z1S.